Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by confirming prerequisites. You must be host or have admin rights, and the game must allow cheats. Once done, open the console with the tilde key or keyboard input. This initiates command mode so commands register. You need the correct admin password or local hosting to avoid denials, so enter credentials promptly. Make sure game settings don't block console input. If mobile keyboard hides, attach a Bluetooth keyboard. This prevents missed keystrokes and speeds the process. With admin enabled, type commands to control your character. For instant invulnerability type, cheat God. You can chain commands, for example, cheat fly then cheat walk to toggle movement modes. Use cheat infinitestats when you want infinite hunger, stamina, and oxygen. This prevents interruptions during builds. Once done, press enter and watch the response text in the console. If a command fails, the console returns an error, which tells you whether the syntax or permission is wrong, so adjust accordingly. To finish, toggle off God mode with cheat God or restore normal movement with cheat walk. This ensures you don't accidentally break progression. If commands fail, check the admin password, your host status, and exact spelling. Small typos cause rejection. If the console won't accept input, restart the app or reconnect your keyboard. Sometimes mobile input services block the console. One key troubleshooting tip: verify you're in single player or server admin. Remote servers may reject local cheats without operator permission.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.